Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Master Ellie. You see, all the angle grinder here, exactly we are going to talk about angle grinder. What we use for thin disc, we used to cut metal or a stainless steel. It's very easy, just go like that. And of course, this is cordless and this is also cord. And also for grinding, you got this. They got 4-inch and 5-inch. And different thickness as well, but please, this is for cutting wood, but not on angle grinder. Please, some we call sifu, they take away the protection and just grind like that. Imagine if they put this on once, if there's a nail or anything, some metal, it got caught, it just jump. It would jump, just the whole thing. Imagine this thing in here. Jump, it's just so flying. This is so dangerous, so please don't use this. Okay, angle grinder are very useful before, and there are also some hazard. For example, besides using that, these are for cutting, but as well this is very thin. So sometimes we go like that, and sometimes we go while we're cutting, we kind of twist a little bit, and then this will break. It breaks, doesn't look like, but it breaks like. The whole thing just fly everywhere. So see this one here. Oh, actually, see, I didn't even realize. Break. So this one's gone. Don't use it. Don't use it. And so there's actually something we can prevent. Like last time we talked about the circular saw. It goes like. Cutting straight, thick and fast, but actually there's something little tool can help us, like this one. This is what I call a stand. Mainly, it's very light. This is for angle grinder. You just put the whole thing. You put it in here. After you fix it. This thing comes in a little box. They all can disassemble and put it in a small box, so it's very easy to carry. Like I said, you put it here, put a screw in, and then tie the knot. It's pretty safe. We have tried to give them a test for the metal rod. It's good. It's really good. I just keep going, and after you assemble them, it's going to look like this. Just like that. We didn't just assemble it, we did a lot of tests. Just have to press and then go like that. Keep on going. It saves really a lot of time because it's just using one direction. Keep on one direction without all the twists, all the angle. It's safe. It saves a lot of time, and this is not heavy at all. It's just like that. So I really suggest. If you have something for your site, you have room, you need to cut some metal, it's a good thing to put. But I suggest you use 5-inch instead of 4, because here you see, eventually this metal part is going to catch the wires. So it doesn't have a lot of room for you to cut. If you use 4-inch, sooner or later, maybe just cutting 2 or 3 rods, you're gone. So I highly suggest you use 5-inch. So these things, how much it costs? It costs around 30 US, but maybe less in Taobao. So you have to search. We can find it in Shanghai Street or Hong Kong. But one thing bear in mind, these metal parts are very, I won't say very, they are not as strong as you think. So when you assemble them, don't like pushing it, using the impact driver to do it. Otherwise you'll break it. If you break any parts, it's going to go bye-bye. So anyway, I think this gadget is very good. I highly recommend you have one if you need to cut metal in the site. I'm losing my voice, so hope you like it. Do subscribe and give us a like.